Alright, so today I got bored and I did something. I was already regretting it the second I walked out the store, but like, you know, you go low. So, here we go. Like, yeah, probably not my smartest purchase, but like, you know, why not? If it's too bad, I can just take it back. Okay, there we go. Oop, that's great. There it is. I really did this right now. I'm just as shocked as y'all are. Okay, the installation stuff, blades, got the mounting bracket right there, got this hardware. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what that is. Oh wow, it came with a great value light bulb. Oh, shit. Sorry. Here's that. Here's this. And for the motor. Alright. So, that's something. Oh, and blade arms. There we go. Alright. Just figured I'd show that. Bye.